If you read this book, your understanding level will change completely. If you read this book completely, then I promise you that there are some secrets in this book that can completely change your life. Hello friends, I am Dr. P. K. Paul. Welcome to my channel. Let's think about life differently and change it. So friends, the book I will read today is called The Secret. Before starting today's video, I inform you that the link of other chapters of this book will be given a description. You can view them from there. So let's begin. Life Talk. John Assaraf. John Assaraf, a one-time street kid, is now an international best-selling author, speaker, and business consultant, dedicated to helping entrepreneurs live extraordinary lives as well as generate enormous wealth. John has spent the past 25 years researching the human brain, quantum physics, and business engineering as they relate to success in business and life. John applied his knowledge to build 4 multi-billion-dollar companies from almost nothing. Today he shares his meditations on business organization and finance with entrepreneurs and small business owners around the world. For more details visit www.owncoach.com. Michael Bernard Beckwith. Dr. Beckwith. Michael Bernard Beckwith was a non-aligned, fundamentalist and progressive person. In 1986 he founded Agape International Spiritual Center. It has a local membership of 10,000 and hundreds of thousands of friends and like-minded organizations around the world. He has worked together with spiritual astrologers in various discussion cycles, such as His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the founder of Sarvodaya. Arun Gandhi is the grandson of Arya Ratna and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is the co-founder of the Association of Global New Thought. At its annual sessions, scientists, economists, artists and spiritual masters attend for the ultimate betterment of humanity. Dr. Beckwith teaches meditation and scientific prayer, conducts spiritual retreats, and addresses seminars and gatherings. He is the father of Life Visionary Process. He is the author of Inspiration of the Heart, 40-Day Mind Fast and Soul Feast and a Manifesto of Peace. Please visit www.agapelov.com for details. Genevieve Behrain, probably 1881–1960, Genevieve Behrain studied under the eminent Judge Thomas Troward, an early teacher of spiritual metaphysics and author of Mental Science. She is the only selected student of Troward. He spent 35 years in North America teaching, lecturing, and practicing psychology. He authored 2 popular books, Your Invisible Power and Attain Your Heart's Desire. Lee Brewer. Lee Brewer is an international advisor, founder and CEO of the firm Empowered Wealth. The organization provides agendas and solutions to empower businesses, foundations, families and individuals, in terms of substance, experience, contribution and financial resources. He is also the founder of Quadrant Living Experience and Advisors LLC, a boutique firm that provides training and licensing through a global network of Quadrant Living advisors. Lee is the co-author of the book Wealth Enhancement and Preservation and the author of The Brewer's Quadrant. His 2 websites are www.empoweredwealth.com and www.quadrantliving.com. Jack Canfield. Jack Canfield, author of The Success Principles is the co-creator of the New York Times best-selling Chicken Soup for the Soul series, which has now sold over 100 million copies. He has played a leading role in opening the door to success for American entrepreneurs, corporate leaders, managers, sales professionals, employees and educators, and has helped hundreds of thousands achieve their dreams. To learn more about him, visit www.jackcanfield.com. Robert Collier, 1885–1950. Robert Collier is a very successful American author. His writings are numerous. All of his books, including The Secret of the Ages and Riches Within Your Reach, are based on studies of metaphysics. His own belief is that success, contentment and abundance are all within the reach of man. Excerpts from this book are taken from his book The Secret of the Ages by permission of Robert Collier Publications. Dr. John F. DeMartini D.C., B.Sc. At one time he was called a disabled student. Dr. John F. DeMartini is now a physician, philosopher, author and international speaker. For many years he successfully ran a chiropractic clinic and was once awarded the title of Chiropractor of the Year. Dr. DeMartini now consults professional health organizations, lectures and writes on healing and philosophy. His method of personal transformation has brought order and happiness to the lives of thousands of people. His website is www.drdemartini.com. Mary Diamond. Mary Diamond is a renowned feng shui expert. She has been treating this subject for more than 20 years and is gradually refining her knowledge. He has worked as an advisor to many famous people of Hollywood, big film directors, famous singers and writers, many. Help the person to achieve success in various fields of life. The purpose of Diamond Feng Shui, Diamond Downing and Inner Diamond Feng Shui by Mary is to bridge one's environment and attraction principles. His website is www.marydiamond.com. Forget the mic. Mike Dooley is a professional teacher or speaker. Not he successfully passed his life as an adventurer. Given both in business organizations and enterprises, the price. Worked for Waterhouse Company in many parts of the world. After leaving he appeared in 1989 totally. As co-founder of Unique Thoughts, TUT, a retail and wholesale marketing center. TUT's growth from a very simple situation to a regional chain. As their products were placed in large American department stores. Japan, Saudi Arabia and Switzerland reached buyers all over the world. About 1 million totally unique t-shirts have been sold through distribution centers. In 2000 he became a web-based motivational and philosophical adventurer at TUT. Converted as it currently has a membership of 60,000 across 169 countries. More than 1,000. He is the author of many books. Among them are notes published in 3 volumes. From the Universe. World-bound audio program Infinite Possibilities, The Art of Living Your Dreams, his significant contribution. More about Mike and TUT. Visit www.tut.com to find out. Bob Doyle. Bob Doyle is the creator and facilitator of the Wealth Beyond Reason program, a powerful multimedia course on the application of the principle of attraction. Bob sheds light on the science side of the principle of attraction so that you can activate the principle in your life with proper understanding. Can attract wealth, success, relationships and material possessions. For more details visit www.wealthbeyondreason.com. Hal Dwoskin. Hal Dwoskin is the New York Times best-selling author of the Sadhana Method. He is dedicated to helping people get rid of their limiting beliefs and get what they want in life. The Sadhana method is so powerful that it guides you to remove the feeling of narrowness, sadness, and freedom of belief and behavior. Hale has taught these principles to organizations and individuals around the world for the past 30 years. His website is www.sadhana.com. Morris Goodman. The Mirror Man, he was called. Morris Goodman hit the headlines in 1981, after recovering from horrific injuries in a plane crash. He was told he would never be able to walk, talk, or do normal activities again. But today he travels the world, inspiring thousands of people with his amazing stories and giving them the strength to stand up. Morris' wife, Kathy Goodman, too. Participating in The Secret, he gives inspiring statements on self-healing. To learn more, visit www.themiracleman.org. John Gray, Ph.D. John Gray is the author of Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. This book about relationships has been a bestseller for over a century, selling more than 30 million copies. He has written 14 other bestsellers and given seminars to thousands of people. His main endeavor is to fix mutual understanding between men and women, both in personal and professional spheres. His new book is called The Mars and Venus Diet and Exercise Solution. For more information, visit www.marvsnus.com. Charles Haanel, 1866–1949. Charles Haanel was a successful American businessman and author of many books. The books are all about his own ideas that he had to work on growing up. His most famous book, The Master Key System, which offers 24 weekly lessons as the key to growing up, is as popular today as it was when it was first published in 1912. John Hagelin, Ph.D. D. Dr. John Hagelin, Drive. John Hagelin is a renowned quantum physicist, teacher and public policy expert. In his book, Manual for a Perfect Government, he explains how to solve the major problems of society and environment and establish world peace in harmony with the principles of nature. John Hagelin was awarded the prestigious Kilby Award, which recognizes scientists for significant societal contributions. He was the candidate of the Natural Law Party in the 2000 presidential election. Many consider John to be the greatest scientist of the present time. His website is www.hagelin.org. Bill Harris is a professional speaker, teacher and businessman. He practiced ancient and modern research on the nature and transformation of the mind and developed the Holosync method, an auditory way to benefit from deep meditation. His company, Centerpoint Research Institute, has enabled thousands of people around the world to live happier and stress-free lives. For more information, visit www.centerpoint.com. Dr. Ben Johnson, M.D., N.M.D., D.O. Dr. Ben Johnson was originally trained in Western medicine, but after recovering from a serious illness himself through unconventional methods, energy healing, became interested in curing diseases. He was particularly influenced by the healing codes invented by Dr. Alex Lloyd. Together, Drive. Johnson and Alex Lloyd run the Healing Code Company and spread this teaching. Visit www.healingcodes.com to learn more. Laurel Langemeier. Laurel Langemeier is the founder of Live Out Loud. Its purpose is to provide financial education and support to meet public financial goals. According to him, the key to wealth creation lies in mindset. He has helped many to become millionaires. Laurel provides expert advice to individuals and organizations. His website is www.liveoutloud.com. Prentice Mulford, 1834–1891. Prentice Mulford was an early writer and organizer of the New Thought movement and spent much of his life in solitude. He influenced many writers and teachers with his writings on mental and spiritual principles. Notable among his books are Thoughts and Things and the White Cross Library, a compilation of his many works. Lisa Nix. Lisa Nichols is a strong advocate of individual empowerment. Founder and CEO of two skill acquisition programs, Motivating the Masses and Motivating the Teen Spirit. The program works to make a difference in the lives of teenagers, women and entrepreneurs, and to provide services to academia, corporate clients, empowerment organizations and faith-based programs. He is the co-author of the book Chicken Soup for the African American Soul, which is an international bestseller. Her website is www.lisa-nichols.com. Bob Proctor. Bob Proctor's introduction to knowledge from the famous teaching genre. This genre started with Andrew Carnegie. From him the line descends through Napoleon Hill to Earl Nightingale. NITIPS then imparted this knowledge to Bob Proctor. Bob has worked on psychic abilities for 40 years. He travels all over the world and teaches about the secret, helping companies and individuals build wealth and abundant lives by applying the law of attraction. He is the author of the international best-selling book You Are Varna Rich. To learn more about Bob, visit www.boproctor.com. James Arthur Ray. James Arthur Ray, a lifelong student of the principles of wealth and abundance, wrote The Science of Success and Harmonic Wealth. From this book, people will learn how to reap great benefits in financial, relationship, intellectual, physical and spiritual areas. His methods, teaching programs and teaching tools used by various organizations are popular all over the world. Besides, he gives regular speeches on proper wealth, success and human power. John is also an expert on many local and mystical rituals of the East. Visit his website at www.jamesray.com. David Shermer. David Shermer is a successful stock trader, investor and investment coach. He conducts workshops, seminars and courses. His company, Training Edge, teaches people how to turn their minds into wealth and earn huge profits. Shermer's accurate description of the share and commodity markets of Australia and offshore countries is of particular importance. For more information visit www.tradingedge.com.au. Marcy Shimoff, M. B. A. Shimoff. Marcy Shimoff is the co-author of the two best-selling books Chicken Soup for the Woman's Soul and Chicken Soup for the Mother's Soul. He is a transformational leader. He strongly preached about personal development and happiness. His work is specially directed towards the advancement of women's life. He is from the Esteem Group Company. Co-founder and president, this company develops and delivers women's self-esteem and motivational programs. His website is www.marcyshimoff.com. Dr. Joe Vitale, MSCD. Dr. Joe Vitale was homeless 20 years ago. Today is one of the best marketing experts in the world. He has many books on the principles of success and abundance. Notable among these are Life's Missing Instruction Manual, Hip Talk Right, and The Attractor Factor, all on the best-selling list. Joe is a hypnotherapist and practitioner of metaphysics with a doctorate and certificate in metaphysical science. He is also a practicing priest and Qigong practitioner. For more information visit www.mrfire.com. Dr. Dennis Whatley, Ph.D. D. Doctor, judging by the high-quality work and extreme reputation. Dennis Whatley is one of America's most respected authors, speakers and advisors. He was involved in NASA astronaut training. The program was later applied to Olympic athletes. His audio album The Psychology of Winning is an all-time bestseller and its theme is self-mastery. He is also the author of 15 non-fiction books, many of which are international bestsellers. His website is www.whatley.com. Neil Donald Walsh. Neil Donald Walsch is a modern-day spiritual guru, author of the 3-volume series of inspirational bestsellers called Conversations with God. It broke all records on the New York Times bestseller list. Neil has published 22 books and video and audio programs. He traveled the world with the message of neo-spiritualism. He can be contacted at www.neildonaldwalsch.com. Wallace Wattles, 1860–1911. Wallace Wattles was born in America and spent many years studying various religions and philosophies before beginning to write about the New Thought style. Many of Wattles' writings have had a special influence on those who teach about prosperity and success today. His most famous book is The Science of Getting Rich, published in 1910. Fred Alan Wolf, Ph.D. D. Lay. Fred Alan Wolf is a physicist, author and advocate. He holds a doctorate in theoretical physics. He has taught in various universities around the world. His work on quantum physics and consciousness is well known through his writings. The number of books written by him is 12. Among them, Take the Quantum Leap as a National Book Award winner. Dr. Wolf continues to write and lecture around the world. Quantum. His fascinating research on the relationship between physics and consciousness continues to carry the message. Visit his website at www.fredalinwolf.com.